MXO3 oscilloscope is the go-to tool for serial bus analysis, including the low-speed serial bus SPI. SPI protocol is a 4-wire serial interface which is commonly used for data transfer between a controller and a peripheral device. Utilize either the analog channels or the digital channels to trigger and decode on the different serial buses. Here you can see a SPI signal on the screen. You can trigger on the different protocol details such as start address and data in order to focus on dedicated events. Need additional information? Turn on the decode table and use search to isolate specific information. Whether you are designing and debugging a sensor, display, or game controller using SPI, seamlessly read the data from your device. Check out MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.